Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. I just can't help but be so excited about cleaning tools that make my life a little easier. And I have been cleaning so much with this Moku Home 3-in-1 shower scrubber. I feel like it makes cleaning my shower and tub not only faster, but they also come out so clean because there are different interchangeable heads that target different areas. I like the Bristle Brush for tile and that tricky seam that collects so much dirt and soap scum. And the scrubber sponge is excellent for getting the grime off the shower walls, the floor, and the tub. And the soft microfiber is really ideal for fixtures. It's so easy to switch them out. And the extendable handle saves me from having to bend, and it's great for reaching up high, like the tile above the bath. It's really sturdy, and it even has padded comfortable non-slip handle. This Moku Home 3-in-1 shower scrubber has just so many exceptional features, and I have just thoroughly enjoyed using it. It has helped me clean faster, and the results have been excellent. It's made a not so fun job a lot nicer. And that's my point of view.